For a while, I had a habit of staying up late. I stayed up scrolling endlessly, watching videos, or just procrastinating. And every morning, it was a struggle. I'd wake up feeling exhausted, rushing through my routine and barely making it through the day. I was behind on work, behind on my goals, and behind on my own life. I kept telling myself I just can't wake up early. But then something changed. I decided to break that mindset. I had to prove to myself that I could. Surprisingly, it was simple the first time. I was motivated. I was excited. But soon, the struggle kicked in. My body fought back. My mind made excuses. I had to force myself, but willingly. Sounds strange, doesn't it? It wasn't really forcing in the harsh sense. It was about pushing myself while also allowing breaks when needed. I had to create a system, setting alarms across the room, sleeping earlier, and making my mornings enjoyable. Small tricks that made a big difference. Then something incredible happened. The benefits started rolling in. First, time. I suddenly had more of it. More time for myself. More time for the things that mattered. My mornings became my most productive hours. There were no distractions, no chaos, only absolute focus. I was able to tackle my most important tasks before the world even woke up. I finally had time to exercise consistently. My sleep quality improved, and I had time for a proper breakfast. Waking up early gave me a sense of control over my day. I felt less stressed, more mindful, and honestly, just happier. And the best part, I had time for things I loved: hobbies, self-reflection, personal projects. I felt like I was finally investing in myself. Waking up early wasn't just about mornings. It was about taking charge of my life. It changed my productivity, my health, and my mindset. And if you're struggling, I get it. It's challenging at first, but it's worth it. So, if you've been thinking about it, just try it. Give yourself a challenge. Start small, and remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your morning routine. See you in the next one.